It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, May 16th. I'm James Spann. For many spots today, the first 90-degree day of the year. Similar warmth tomorrow. Maybe a storm in spots Thursday. The next really decent chance of more widespread showers and storms will likely come late in the upcoming weekend. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Big trough in the western states, beginning to kind of come out in a couple of phases. The southern part of that is moving out of the southwest United States. That's going to kick up a big severe weather event today for parts of the southern plains down into the Texas Panhandle. Check our numbers. These were captured about 2 o'clock, and at that point we had mostly upper 80s. Very good chance. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden will see 90 before this day is over. And we're clearly the hot spot down here across the southeastern states. But back in that colder trough, it's very chilly. In fact, we got winter weather advisories for parts of the mountains of Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, where snow will be falling. And a PDS tornado watch. Particularly dangerous situation for parts of west Oklahoma, the Texas Panhandle. That's in effect until 10 o'clock tonight. And there's a GOES 16 look at the big storms blowing up in that region. And we'll probably see a number of storms, maybe a long-track tornado or two in there, very large hail. And it's just going to be a rough afternoon in through there. There's a moderate risk of severe weather in that zone where the tornado watch is in effect. An enhanced risk from West Texas up into Iowa. The broader risk runs from the Rio Grande up to the western Great Lakes. Tomorrow, risk of severe weather from Arkansas up into the Great Lakes region. The standard risk includes places like Des Moines and Madison. Day 3, this is Thursday, risk of severe weather, again, well to the west, parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. And on day 4, Friday, a risk of severe weather, including Dallas-Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Kansas City. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Pretty good numbers here. This is suggesting rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches for much of the state, and really the bulk of this will probably be Sunday and Sunday night, maybe into early Monday morning of next week, as you'll see. So let's go through modeling. Model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Troughing in the west, ridging in the east. Deep surface low is over Nebraska. Severe weather likely south and east of that. Around here, just another hot, dry day. The high should be around 90. Mostly sunny. Now, Thursday, the ridge weakens a little bit. Moisture increases, and that means the chance of a few scattered afternoon and evening storms. We'll keep that in the forecast. Now, the NAM is not bullish at all. This is the high-resolution 3-kilometer NAM valid Thursday afternoon at 4 o'clock, showing just very isolated showers, but I wouldn't be shocked if we saw a little more than that. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting wet Thursday about 1 in 3. And the high will drop back into the mid-80s in most spots. Friday, the ridge strengthens again. There could be a shower, yes, Friday afternoon or Friday evening, but they should be pretty isolated. Better chance of rain off to the north and west. And look at the snow in Colorado and Wyoming. Wow. Here on May 19th. Let's go to Saturday. Surface low is around Des Moines. And again, could there be a shower or storm? Yes, but they should be very isolated. Much of the day Friday, much of the day Saturday dry. And again, the high right around 90 in most spots. But Sunday, the ridge weakens, the surface front approaches, moisture increases, and that should be a day with a much better opportunity of showers and storms. No washout, no all-day rain, but a few passing showers and possibly a thunderstorm are likely. This is the instability Sunday afternoon at 1 o'clock. Not especially robust. Most of the instability values under 2,000 joules for the northern half of the state. EHI, the Energy Helicity Index, about 1 unit. Again, the wind fields look kind of weak, so not too concerned about severe weather at this point for Sunday. And then Monday, the drier, cooler air takes over if this verifies. We've seen other runs that are slower, but this is suggesting a clearing sky Monday with lower humidity. And a week from today, the trough develops over the eastern U.S., and that looks like a very pleasant day. We start the day in the 50s. The high would be in the low 80s. And, boy, look at this. This is Thursday of next week, a very deep trough over the eastern states. Look at the anomalies. Temperatures way below average for the eastern two-thirds of the country. And this is the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, May 26th, and if that's right, dry and very pleasant. Check the numbers off the GFS. Highs stay up around 90. Thursday will be a bit lower because of the chance of scattered storms, but highs around 90 otherwise through the weekend. Then noticeably cooler next week as temperatures go below average for mid to late May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.